Hi, this is Ian Zepp. I am the founder and CTO of M43. We are a Salesforce consulting company, and I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to document the creation of an AppExchange application from the very beginning of conception, where we come up with the idea and we're trying to determine how we're going to solve this particular problem, all the way through the development process, with highlights on some of the issues that we're dealing with and how we're resolving those problems, and all the way through finally to publishing this as a managed package on AppExchange. So let's just get started. So the problem that I've decided to solve in this particular case is we're going to create, the elevator pitch would be this. You've got salespeople who don't want to keep adding the same products to every new opportunity that comes on. So they maybe do 10 or 15 opportunities a day, and 80% of them have the same group of products that get added. You know, it would be really nice if we could just simply click a button or two and have a set of predefined products that could just all get pushed right to the opportunity at once. So that's the application that we're going to develop. We're going to create an opportunity product template application that allows us to set up in advance a set of products under a template name. We can link it to a campaign, so we can offer certain sets of products for a specific marketing campaign that we're doing. And then the salespeople can go ahead and just click a button, either on a custom tab or on an opportunity that they've already converted over, and it will copy in all of the products that we've mapped on this template. So that's kind of the elevator pitch. Let's have a look at how this might go into an opportunity. So here we have one of the default opportunities in a Salesforce dev environment. Now this is actually my company's QA environment where I'm going to be creating this in. So as we are growing this application, we're going to start out in just a free-form, unmanaged environment. But then as it kind of develops and we get a little bit of the API and the object structure nailed down, we're actually going to demonstrate how to migrate that into a managed package. So starting here, this is the blue sky. We've got an opportunity and we've got a product. Now, just to restate the problem, if you have a business process flow that frequently requires adding a set of the same products to an opportunity over and over again. So let's say your business has 4 to 10 different products that 80 to 90% of the time you put them on all of your opportunities. It can get really time consuming to have to go through adding each product one by one. It almost gets to the point where you want to pre-clone your opportunities with your products to avoid that problem. And we're going to approach this from a different direction. So instead of cloning your opportunities, which you want to be able to use the automatic lead to account contact and opportunity conversion process. That's built into Salesforce. It comes default. It's something that you should be able to take advantage of. What we're going to do is we're going to add a button up here at the top that says add from template. And when you click that button, it will take you to a custom Visual Force page that displays a list similar to how you would see a related list here of all of the predefined template names that you've set up, the campaigns that they're linked to, and then the number of products that they have. And you can click on each one of those to drill down to the actual product template page, where you will see some additional descriptions and information about the product template itself, and then a list of all the products that it's associated with. Now at that level, they may or may not necessarily have prices assigned, because the prices really come from the price books, which get set at the opportunity. But from the template selection page, you'll be able to pick a template, and you'll be able to, with one click, copy it to the opportunity. Optionally, with a discount that you've set up, so you could say, take this template and copy it to my opportunity. And when you do that, knock off 10% from all of the prices. So that's the idea. In a further video, I will go over some of the object specifications.